Power supply. Adapter. The yellow one is internet cable. The blue one is USB cable. How to insert SIM card. Connect the power. Use internet cable, connect gateway 1 port with router. First login. Management platform. Find settings. Set add. Found. Device name customizable. Enter password. Select model. Then save. Click Next. Find basic settings, ESP setting. Fill it out here. Address account password. Then save. Then save restart. Step 3. Access the device management platform. Configuring GeoIP, and then click Add. This chip is a device for use with Sound Shop. NAMO is also custom. Password top. Select. Device port. Save. Step 4. Access equipment. Entering the device screen. Enter the account number, password. Submit and save restart. And now you can see Simpool already online. GeoIP is online. Then groups can be set, custom. Then delimit the port of the chip. You can check the card status.